How to cancel CapCut App Subscription. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. Today in this video, we'll demonstrate the process of cancelling a CapCut subscription. When you find yourself no longer interested in CapCut and wish to cancel your subscription, it can sometimes be a bit perplexing. Here's a method to effectively cancel it. If you have used Google Pay for your CapCut payments, you can cancel your subscription through the Play Store application. Simply first of all, open your Play Store and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then navigate to the Payments and Subscription option. Under this section, click on the Subscription option, where you will find the CapCut application along with the other subscription you have taken. From there, simply click on the Remove or Cancel button to terminate your subscription, and that will be done. This is how you can cancel CapCut App Subscription. It's a straightforward and speedy process, taking less than a minute or just a few seconds. We hope you find this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.